አስተርጓሚ ያስፈልገው
I just find it kind of like unfair. Here we know like female by my side or something. Oh. Yeah. And he promised us females, but it doesn't seem like girls. Girls, where are the girls?
ሴቶቹ የት ናቸው?
Girls? You don't speak English at all.
ወይኔ ጦጣ ሆነ በእናታችሁ።
They're
ወይኔ ቢያንስ እንኳን ሀይና ሄሎ ከሰው ጋር የምትግባቡበት ብታጠራ አሪፍ እኮ ነው። ሴት ነው የሚፈልገው ሴት አለኝ ምናምን ብለሃል እና በቃ ኦልሬዲ እስከ ሴት አገናኘኝ ነው። እቺ ዝምባብዌ በእናታችሁ እኛ ላይ ሙድ ይዛለች በፈጣሪ ስም። what the hell is going on? ስለጃይቡ
Oh, thank you so much.
ማለት ተረዳረ።
Oh man, that's absolutely amazing. Yeah. Wow. Thank you. You got a lot of emotion to it. That's so. Who are the most beautiful women in Africa? I want to say with a smile on my face. Zimbabwe.
once ገረም አንዳንድ ምሳሌዎች ነበር አውሪንጂ
Listen, let me say something. Zimbabwean women and Ethiopian women. Man, I say this. We don't get African women.